And whatever is the success record, it went to true. It didn't go to false. So that means the decision also worked for the second record, na?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
It's a bit confusing to understand.
Okay. You want me to explain again?
Mm.
I'll explain you again. What is the data here, Sakshi?
Okay. Mm.
This is the same data that we had.
Yeah.
What was the condition we were checking yesterday?
Is
We
it
were
already?
checking for the Sakshi record,
Yeah.
right? First though it is
Condition.
Srini record, so that is false. So
Mm.
Srini record went to false path.
Okay.
Srini record went to false path.
Sakshi is going to
Sakshi record went to true path.
destroy.
Correct.
True.
But what did we do yesterday again? We thought we will introduce an exception. So how did we do that exception? We put a character value instead of a number, right?
Yeah.
Now it will throw an exception. So when we saw that it was throwing an exception, we used a try catch to handle that exception, right?
Right.
Now there was an exception, but you see that the process is still completed successfully. What is the exception that we got? We use a catch. We log the exception. Process try catch has failed with the error.
First
Okay.
one. Stream. Yeah.
Yeah. So this has failed with the error. Mm. Now what happened in this scenario? Nothing went to true part. Nothing went to false. Even though we had one additional data and we split it, this one failed. Okay, when what about this? We should know whether this went to true or false, na? But that did
Right.
not happen in the logic, right? Why
Okay.
it did not happen is there
But
was an
it,
error here and we didn't catch the error here. Okay, error at
decision.
the whole level is caught in the catch. But what about this internal thing? So for this thing alone, you need to put in a try path and catch the one which has caused the record as failure. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now if I run this, if I have run this, the failed record has gone here. Nothing has gone to an exception. The successful record of Sakshi has gone to the true path.
Correct.
Understood?
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So this way, we have caught the exception, handled it, and whatever is the failure record that has been sent here, and the rest of the record has been successfully passed. If suppose we have one more record also here, okay.
Suppose here in this process, if we add the try catch after the decision shift.
What is there after decision shift? Nothing is there now. The prime logic is in decision shift. There can be a possibility of error in a decision shift
Right.
because because here you are reading the flat file profile. You are superimposing a flat file profile on the data. So there can be a possibility of error here. Here it is only stop. What is the purpose of
Yeah.
putting there? It will still execute here and go to this catch. Na?
Yeah, correct.
So nothing will happen. Now what did I do? I added an additional data, promote. Okay.
Hmm.
Now promote should go to false.
Hmm.
Sakshi should go to true. Whatever is that Varun's data will go to catch.
Hmm.
Yeah, see.
Promote. Hmm. Hmm.
Mm. Okay, now this part is clear.
Yeah.
Mm. So I will just summarize before closing again. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you want the process to continue execution, what we do in that scenario is we
And
will
then.
put an additional try catch wherever possible to handle any error that might be possible in additional cases. If suppose after this there is again a business rule shape. Okay. In business rule shape also, if there is a failure, there can be a possibility of failure. Suppose after this condition, you are checking an additional condition. After Sakshi data is filtered, you are checking for an Apple condition again. Okay. There is again a possibility of failure there because if you put in again an additional decision shape, uh, the other columns value might be different also, right? So there you put an additional try catch block also. So wherever you see there is a possibility of failure, some API being called or some other data, some other business logic, some other scripting logic is there. In at all those places, try to include a try catch in the application. That way you will save yourself from the error.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. If there
Okay.
is an error, the process will stop and we don't want that to happen.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. So that is the way we do. We make proper use of try catches and we save ourselves from error or we change the execution the way this needs to be executed also.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Hmm.
I need to practice it, then only I will better understand.
Yeah, I will try to get that. I am not able to find using online. So I raised a Boomi case from my company's account, how to do that for other vendors. So once I get a reply, I will see. That is one thing I am not able to. Do you have any other account for your UKG team?
No, means in the office laptop only I can do that, but I can't save it. Like I need to try and delete it.
Yeah, so
I
why
don't
can't you
have any
say
other practice account.
in that account only create a folder and do, na? It doesn't cost any license also, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
you can
yeah.
very well
No.
practice it because
Hmm.
these are company provided and booming has increased the prices also very hugely. Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
we cannot
Today definitely
directly,
I
we
will
are not
try
able
to
to do
practice
this.
all those.
Even online, see if you see my screen, I'm not using online IT gurus also. I'm using a different account because it is not possible. It is only organization wide. It is there. I am trying to ask for a trial account if possible. If that is there, I will create the trial account and give it to you only, Sakshi. Okay.
Okay. Previously I have it, but I don't know what happened there. It's not working. Means it's not
That's
working.
what I'm
That's
saying.
not
Bhumi
able
changed
to.
a lot of things now. Previously, even with Gmail also we were able to do. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Right now there is no Gmail. I had one
Mm.
certification account with my Gmail. So all the certifications are also gone. That is also gone.
Right.
Now only organization specific. If you change the organization, all your certificates are gone. That's how it
Oh,
is.
okay.
So for people freelancing, that is even more difficult, right?
Hmm.
Hmm. That is the problem.
Mm.
That is how it is. Okay,
Yeah.
so then we will
Yeah, I will
put the
try
next
to
tomorrow.
practice in the means that
Yeah, you try to practice in your
yeah,
company's account only.
yeah.
Even I am trying to do this,
Yeah,
but
from last 2 days I was thinking but not getting that time to practice it. So yeah,
uh,
today I will definitely
okay,
try.
definitely try to practice. If you have anything, just make a note of it and you tell me, and we will definitely look into it as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye.
So we'll catch up tomorrow. We'll
Oh,
discuss
hmm.
business rule shape tomorrow. It is very, very important shape. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll talk about that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.